Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by opening your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If it's not visible, select this gear instead. Click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard. Now you can finally click on visible microphone icon. And if you never used it before, tap on while using the app in the pop-up. Then wait for Speak Now command to show and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!